Hey guys, it's Mr. Bellata here. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today. As I may have told some of you already, Mr. Sudak and I are at a music conference in Hartford. So learning some new teaching strategies and different things like that today. So sorry we couldn't be with you. So what I want you guys to do today is to come up with some ideas for songs that we might be able to do for next year for either our fall or spring concert. And as most of you are seventh graders, that works out nicely because you guys will all be here next year and have a little bit of say into what we do. So let me show you the website that I use that we can get our songs from. And I'm going to show you a little tutorial. You'll see everything that I'm doing on the screen. And then I basically want you to go ahead and do the same thing. So the first thing you're going to need to do is pull up Safari on your computer. It's in your dock, which is located at the bottom of your screen. And that looks like a little compass. So once Safari is up, go ahead and up in the address browser, go ahead and put in JW Pepper, like the vegetable, .com, jwpepper.com, and hit enter. And this will bring you to a website that has all of our music options that we can choose from. So up at the top, you're going to put your mouse over where it says band, and then it will come up with a drop-down menu. So you can either select concert, marching, or jazz. So for today, I only want you to look into either concert or jazz. So if you're in the jazz band or think you might be next year, you can look into jazz tunes. If you're only in the concert band, just look at the concert band tunes. So just for now, I'm going to show you how to do the concert band. So I'm going to click on where it says concert. And then on the next screen, you'll notice over on the left, it kind of breaks things down by category. So we have concerts and contest, marches, concert openers, lyrical selections, chorales, and then you can click on more. And there's other options too: sacred selections, contemporary, community band, etc. There's even more down here at the bottom: popular styles, pop music, Broadway and show tunes, movie themes, lighter selections. Again, we can click more: multicultural, video game music. You can even go towards the bottom: seasonal. We have Christmas and holiday, which we tend to not do as much of. Patriotic, Halloween, etc. Solos with band, we probably won't do any of that, so you can skip over that. Section features, probably won't do that either, but you're welcome to look at it. And then ensembles with bands, we probably won't do that either, as we just did choir and band at our spring concerts. We won't do that again for a while. So basically, probably the top three sections there: concert and festival, popular styles, and yeah, maybe even some seasonal there as well. So once you have clicked on one, so let's just take one of these for example, concert openers. Once I click on it, you're going to come up with a list of a whole bunch of different songs, different options, and they're ranked by how easy or how difficult they are. So one of the things you can do on the left side is if you want to filter only to see easy songs or only to see medium easy, then that's fine. Just so you guys have an idea, usually for us, easy tends to be way too easy. So usually we stick to either medium easy or medium. If it goes to medium advanced, that's usually high school level and above. So we tend to stay away from that. So let's say you're going down the list and you wanted to take a look at one of the songs. So for instance, Above and Beyond. If it has this little play button icon next to it, you can just click on that and then it will bring up the audio. And you can take a listen to what the song sounds like and have some ideas. Okay. Once you're done, you can X out of that and go on to the next one. So you can take a listen to as many of these as you'd like to. And if you come up with one that you think might be really good for our band to do next year, what I want you to do is go to Google Docs and just create a doc. You can title it Song Ideas for Next Year and share it with me. And my email address is M as in Mr. Bilotta, BILOTTA, at sheltonpublicschools.org. And again, you can do the same thing for jazz band. So if I go back up to band, click on jazz, you have options for that too: jazz ensemble, blues and swing, pop, for instance. Let's click on pop. Some ideas up here. It's all in alphabetical order: Africa, Ain't No Mountain High Enough, Ain't No Sunshine, as we're doing that one now, all about that bass, different things. And the last thing you can do is you can actually go up here in the search box and type for something specific. So let's say you were looking for, Star Wars. You can enter. and it comes up with everything. But here's where you have to be careful. This is all not necessarily for band. You see this one right here, it says piano collection, recorder solo collection. So again, if you wanted to filter it by just stuff for band or concert band, click over here on concert band, and it will pull up just the ones that are related to concert band. Okay, so throughout today's class, just come up with some ideas that you think might be good for our band. Email me or share the doc with me if you have any suggestions. And if there's anything that really might work out well for our group, or a lot of people maybe suggest that one, then we will consider adding it for next year on the concert. Okay, hope you guys have a great day. I won't see you again until next week, so have an awesome weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good class. Please behave. Thanks.